In this tutorial, let us talk about this website that can pay you anything from 1,000 naira daily to 10,000 naira weekly just posting content on your WhatsApp status. You don't even need to have a business of your own to actually make money on this website. Hi there, welcome back to my channel, and this is Smart Skills Up TV, where we talk a lot on how to make money online and also a whole lot on sales, marketing and advertising. Now, without wasting further time, let us talk about this platform called droof.com.ng, right? So what is this platform all about? It is a platform that connects businesses to WhatsApp users for what is called crowd advertising, right? So you as a business person, you send your advertising content to this platform and then they link you up with people called droovers who then go ahead to post your advert content on their WhatsApp status. So for you as a business, this comes with a lot of benefits as you have the advantage of massive reach and massive engagement for people in different locations, because these people called droovers, who are the people who actually earn money, which is what we are interested in this tutorial, are people who are from diverse locations and who may actually have anything between 1,000 to 7,000 views on their WhatsApp statuses. Now, you as a droover who is going to be leveraging on this platform to earn money, what you're simply going to be doing is to take this advert content and then repost it on your WhatsApp status. So you as the person who is interested in making money by helping businesses to repost their advert content on your WhatsApp status would need to have a considerable number of views or followers on your WhatsApp, so that when you post this advert content, the number of people who are seeing it would be tangible enough to actually earn you enough money. So while this platform sounds like an interesting way to make a side hustle online on WhatsApp, I do not think that it is still functional in 2025. And why did I say that? So like I told you earlier at the beginning of this video, I recently stumbled on this platform and then I was trying to go through it. But one of the things I discovered first was that the footer session is not having an updated date of 2025. It's having a date that is as far back as 2022. Another thing was that I attempted to sign up to become a droover, but then it redirected me to an error page, so I was not able to sign up. But then I was able to sign up as a business owner, right? So I wouldn't know if it's actually my own end or maybe my network that is bad or something. So you can actually go on to try to sign up on, this platform. When you go through it and you assess it and all of that and you understand what it is about, right, and you can attempt to sign up. But then if you're not able to sign up on this platform to start making money, there are several other ways that you can still make money on WhatsApp as a business person or as an individual who does not have any business as yet, right? And let us talk about those ways that you can actually make money on WhatsApp even without this platform or without any other platform, right? So you can actually make money on WhatsApp by selling something. This is what everybody knows. So WhatsApp happens to be the number one messaging app that a lot of people use to chat and have conversations with friends and family. A lot of families even have WhatsApp groups, right? Like I have my family WhatsApp group, and then we gather there once in a month to pray and all that. But then aside from being a social platform, it is also a platform where people make a lot of money, right? And you can do that by selling something. Of course, there are different things you can actually sell on WhatsApp, but I know your question would be, what if I don't have a business? What if I don't have a brand? What if I don't have a product or a service to actually sell to people? You can actually start by selling other people's products, and that is what we call affiliate marketing. In fact, a lot of us who have become established online business owners today started with affiliate marketing, and that was when we actually started to learn more about how we can use WhatsApp to make money, because where we were actually doing all of our closing was on WhatsApp, right? So how does affiliate marketing works? It's simple. So you don't have a product, you don't have a service, but you can partner with someone who has a product or a service, and then you guys would reach an agreement that if you make a particular number of sales, or for whenever you make a sale, that person who owns the product or the service gets to actually share a part of, you know, the profits with you, right? So it's called affiliate commission, right? So doing affiliate marketing can come in different forms. So you can either do affiliate marketing you know, with affiliate networks, and affiliate networks are platforms that actually have like a well-structured platform where they actually list out products and services that you as an affiliate can go sign up and then select the products you want to sell and then start to market it, right? So that's one way to actually make money on WhatsApp, by doing affiliate marketing, which is just all about, you know, selling products that are not your own and then making commissions for it. So this is very simple, and this is, you know, a fast way of making money, so to say, because you don't exactly have to create the products yourself. In the instance of digital products, now you don't have to create the products yourself, and you know, you don't have to do customer service, because the owner of that product literally takes care of everything. And if it's a physical product, you also don't have to take care of, you know, processing orders, because the owner of the business also takes care of processing the orders. So there are different affiliate marketing platforms out there. We have Expertnia, we have Lenoflix, we have Clickbank, and a whole lot of others, and you know, some of them actually pay you in dollars, right? So on this channel I've talked a whole lot on affiliate marketing. You can go to my YouTube channel. I think I have like a whole playlist on affiliate marketing that you can actually get to watch several tutorials to help you get started with affiliate marketing, right? So once you've gotten the products you want to sell, you can then start to post on your WhatsApp status, and then of course people will get to see it, and the people on your WhatsApp contacts will get to see it, and then when they make purchases, you can then go on to, you know, enjoy affiliate commissions, right? So that's one way to make money on WhatsApp, right? And if you're able to do this well with great marketing, you can earn anything from 100k weekly and even more. I know people, when we started out with affiliate marketing, that were making millions on a weekly basis, right? So this can also be you as well. Then another way you can also make money on WhatsApp is by selling digital products. All right, so in this instance, you're not selling affiliate product, but the product is actually your own, right? So digital products are the in thing these days, right? So with, you know, the world being digitized and everything, the products and, you know, products are now being digitized as well. Even products that we consume are even being digitized and can be sold as digital products. Now this is what I mean. For instance, people who have knowledge of how to, you know, maybe bake cakes, or you know, do one or two things, can actually compile their knowledge into a digital product that can be sold. Do you understand? So if you also know how to do something, like say for instance, you know how to bake cake, or you know how to take care of kids, or you've had expertise in one area or the other, you can actually convert your knowledge into a digital product that you can sell on WhatsApp, right? So even if you've had a product that you're selling before, like maybe you're already selling on WhatsApp, you're maybe selling human hair, you're selling you know, clothes, or you're, you know, I know that a lot of people, like by default, a lot of people, when they get WhatsApp, they just want to start selling anything. They can be selling clothes, shoes, bags, or anything like that. So one of the things you can do to actually help you make more money, say for instance, you're already making money from, you know, those other things you're doing, but one of the things you can do to now make more money is to convert your knowledge into a digital product, right? And it's very, very easy. Just like I'm speaking on camera right now, you can also sit on your camera, on your phone camera, and it's not even difficult. You can sit on your phone camera and tell people what you know how to do, and they will pay for it. Do you understand? So people are creating digital products out of literally everything these days. So long as you have expertise and you have the solution that people have a problem for, right, you can create a digital product out of it, or even a knowledge product out of it. So it's either you call it a digital product or a knowledge based digital product, where you're providing solutions to problems that people have. I've even seen people who create digital products out of you know, how to last in bed, or how to, maybe they have expertise in that, maybe they've sold products around, you know, that area before, but they have some knowledge around it. And in fact, these days a lot of people even create products out of things they don't have knowledge of, you know, thanks to ChatGPT and all that. But I wouldn't really advise that you do that. It is better that you have, this knowledge, and the right solutions for the problems that people are facing, and then you're creating a digital product or a knowledge-based digital product out of it, and then you're selling it to people. So that's one way to actually earn on WhatsApp, by identifying a problem that people have and then creating a digital product out of it, so long as it's actually around your area of expertise. Another way I see a lot of people making money these days is through data reselling. People are making money from selling data in the online space. You won't believe how much they are earning, right? So I've actually met a lot of people who sell data online, and I don't think that they would continue to do it, and that there will be a larger number of people doing it on, picking it up as something to do on a daily basis if it is not profitable. And why is it profitable? It is simply because internet connectivity requires data. You can't be on the internet. Whatever it is you want to do on the internet, you need data, right? So people are leveraging on this to actually make money online, selling data, right? So I'm not saying that if you already have an established business, you should go and start selling data, just like telling me now to start selling data. I may not actually want to do that. But if you're watching this video and you probably don't know what to do to start making money online or on WhatsApp, you can actually start selling data, right? There are different platforms out there that can actually pay you cashbacks, right? For each data you resell, there is actually a cashback. And in fact, there is a platform that I use right now. I actually use it for my own personal use. They actually give you cashbacks, and their cashbacks is higher than what the conventional fintech banks actually pay you, right? So I'm going to be dropping the link to this platform in the description of this video. So if you're interested, you can go pick up a package. They have different packages from 5,000 naira Nigerian naira to 100,000 naira, right? You can pick any package and start to put it out there that you now sell data, and before you know it, your profit from the cashback they are giving you would start to accumulate, and then a lot of people would start to know you that this is what you do, and before you know it, you cash out big time. Now remember that most of these things are selling data may not actually earn you a lot of money at the beginning, right? But if you're consistent, like if you've always watched my tutorials, there is one thing I always emphasize, and it is consistency. You can't start something today and say you're not doing it again and then you're expecting to see results. No, you have to be very consistent with whatever it is you're doing. You don't back out just because you've not seen results. One of the things I also like to do for myself is I give myself 3 months, right? 3 months of testing something new, and testing it with my whole focus, right? So if after 3 months it doesn't work, I'll have to reassess my strategy and then go again. And then if I don't if I feel that it's not something that is worth my time, I then drop it. Needless to say, whether you're going to be selling your own products or services, or you're going to be affiliating for someone, or you're even going to be selling a service as data, you have to find a way to make it very engaging. People's attention span is very short, and on WhatsApp these days they are introducing a lot of things like WhatsApp channels, and a lot of things are taking people's attention. So how do you ensure that people are glued to watching your WhatsApp status? You have to make it engaging. Post video content, post helpful tutorials or content, post things that actually interest people so that they will keep on coming back. And then another thing is also view other people's status. Don't be stingy, right? So when people view your status, reciprocate the kindness, and also view their own status as well. Don't be acting like Jagaban, like a boss. So try and watch other people's status as well. All right, then after all that is said and done, how do you get this visibility on your WhatsApp? How do you ensure that these views that we are talking about, you're able to get them to the extent that you're able to make this large amount of money that we're talking about? Because even if eventually you're going to be able to sign up on juva.com and you're going to be able to get an account and start to post adverts for people, you still need those numbers, because they actually pay you based on the views that you actually accumulate per advert that you post. There are many ways to actually drive traffic to your WhatsApp and actually sustain or retain those traffic, right? So you can actually drive traffic organically or paid, or through paid adverts, right? Doing it offline or organically, one of the ways you can actually do it is to share your contacts with people that you meet on a daily basis. You can even, target or intentionally say that you want to be getting, or you want to be sharing your contacts to at least 10 to 20 people every day, right? So when you meet people whom you're doing business with, your business associates, or even your friends, people you know that would be interested in what you're selling, make sure you share your contacts with them. You can even have a flyer, right? Have a flyer, let your contact be there, let people occasionally reach you on WhatsApp, save their contacts, compel them or ask them to save your own contact as well. View their status so that they can view your own status, right? Another way to also do it is online, organically still. You can share content on other platforms, right? Like a lot of people do TikTok, right? For me, where I actually generate a lot of traffic from to my WhatsApp is from YouTube, right? Because I've already built some level of presence on YouTube. So whenever I do YouTube tutorials, I always leave the link to my YouTube I always leave the link to my WhatsApp there, so people can come, people who have questions, they can come and ask me questions. From there we get to save each other's contacts. They get to view my status, I get to view their status. My views is growing from there. So in essence, you need to have a platform outside of WhatsApp where you'll be driving traffic from. So it's either going to be TikTok for you or YouTube. It could even be Facebook or LinkedIn, depending on the platform where you feel that you can actually build you can actually establish your authority and then start to drive traffic, right? So remember that these things are not going to happen overnight. It has to be gradual. It has to build overnight. So while you're also building your contacts, you can ensure that you're building authority in that line of business that you've chosen to actually do, right? So if it is data you want to sell, you can start selling the data already on Facebook and then start driving traffic. You can say, okay, maybe I'm giving a discount for data or something. Then anybody who's interested, come to my WhatsApp. Those kind of different strategies you can actually employ to ensure that you're growing, your presence or your contact or your views on WhatsApp. It's very important. You can even get to join WhatsApp groups, but don't go sending random message, because WhatsApp will block your account, right? But you can just go and talk to people. Maybe you have a WhatsApp group that you're in, and maybe there was a class. Interact with people, right? Interact with people, have conversations with them in their DMs. Don't tell them to save your contact up front, because some persons would get annoyed. Like me, it gets me very irritated. Like when you just enter my DM and you're telling me you're this, you're that, please save my contact. No, it gets me really irritated, right? So you want to ensure that you're establish some sort of rapport with the person, and then get to become friends with the person, and before you know it, you guys are getting along, right? So that's also one way to do it as well. Then when it comes to Facebook ads or maybe YouTube ads or whatever platform you're going to be using to get traffic through paid ad, you can also ensure that what you're going to be advertising is something that is engaging enough, that is enticing enough to drive that traffic to your WhatsApp, right? And then when you have those DMs or messages from the ad, ensure that you get these people to save your number. Even if they don't save your number, save their numbers and follow up with them, right? Do it strategically, and before you know it, you'd have accumulated enough contacts and views to the extent that when people view your status, they're actually a good number that can actually make you enough money. And then remember that WhatsApp alone is not going to do it for you, so you have to also leverage on other platforms as well, both to sell and also to drive traffic to your WhatsApp, right? So I believe you've gained massive value from watching this tutorial up until this point. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, as at this time, please not leave without subscribing, and it will be a great pleasure for me to have you as being a part of our family. And here, just like I've said before, we talk a whole lot on sales, marketing and advertising to help your business grow and also help your finances grow as well. This is where I'm going to be wrapping it up on this tutorial for today, and I'll see you in subsequent ones. Please don't forget to share this video with people in your network whom you also believe would benefit from the values that we've shared here. And until next time, see you.